Okay, I feel relatively confident with what I have going on here, but also things change all the time. So first things first, and I don't know if I showed you this already, but this is July 31st through the 6th, which is August 6th. And this is the Cyber Monday 2022 kit, and it was a board game kit, and it did, actually I don't even know what's in here because I've been hoarding all of this stuff for so long. So let's go ahead and open it up. Actually just get rid of this hello because I'm for sure using this week. I'm pretty sure this is still in the shop, but it's a really pretty kit. I'm going to Gen Con this week, so this will be perfect. I did also get the game night underlays. I think that'll be a fun addition in rainbow. And then I also have the game night overlays in rainbow. And then I have the foil bundle that came with the kit, which is a mixed metal rainbow and sparkly rainbow. And then I also ordered from Hannah like last minute because I watched her kit lineup, and she is doing the black meeple bundle with this like mix, and I think that that's gonna be so fun. So I also ordered that. I ordered this custom a while back, which says game night, and I have too many board games, said no one ever. And then I have my custom multi, also another custom multi in the like typewriter font, and then also the game icons in like the line rainbow, the regular rainbow, and then I also have the Scribble Prince Go 9-year freebie number 6. So a lot of rainbow stuff going on with this, and then also the meeple bundle. It's just going to be a lot of things, TBH. I don't even think I'm going to end up using these underlays, TBH, because I'm going to do these ones, I think, with the meeples over top of it. So these, I don't know, but I could also do these with the meeples on top of it. I don't know. I'm going to have to game day decision this because I'm very excited for this spread. I think it's going to be fantastic, but I definitely want to add in those black meeples because I think that was a great idea on Hannah's part. This is a kit that has been moved around, I think, 3 times now, and it is the shark kit. I feel like I always just like, the flow or like another kit comes out, but I think this will be the time to shine for it. So I am using burgundy from Hannah, the paint, which is like kind of like blood splatter, and then the it was like the typewriter font of the month. I think would look really cool with it in the burgundy. I thought that this color matched kind of the vibes. This was the $75 plus freebie, which was the 2022 best sellers, and I just had one laying around, so I thought it matched this kit. And then I also have a just silver confetti bundle, the silver shark underlays from Hannah, and then I just have 2 freebies. Ice would be really pretty with this kit as well if you wanted to do a color like perfect match. And then I also have black, and this was the, I think, like June freebie or something like that, or May, I don't remember. But this has been moved around so many times, and I've also showed it so many times in kit lineups that we don't need to go into her too much, but just know I'm pretty sure she's going to be used then. Then for this week is August 14th to 20th is the back to school week. So I'm going to use the back to school kit, which I have all of the extras and things for that. And then I also am going to do the crayon underlays in black. These are new from Hannah, but you could get them in her shop. And then I'm going to do the foil bundle. I'm going to do hollow confetti, and I'm just going to like layer everything. And I think the hollow is going to be really fun and fancy with this. I was thinking about doing, we have like a pink that would be really pretty in the confetti version 2 foil bundle, but I just think this will just be very classic and beautiful. I might end up getting some custom quotes for that week. Not 100% sure yet. We will see. And then this week is the week of my BFF Breeze birthday week. And I was going to do this last year, but then I think like back to school week was the same week. So I'm going to use it for this year. So this is Step Brothers, which we used to always, like, if we had sleepovers and stuff, we'd always put on Step Brothers and just watch it over and over and over again. It would be like what we fall asleep to. So I thought that'd be perfect for her birthday week. Also, like, whenever I announced to her that, I don't remember, I think it's whenever I was having Theo, I found out I was having Theo after she told me she was pregnant. So we're pregnant at the same time. And I got her, to tell her that I was pregnant, I got her baby onesies that say, did we just become best friends? And the other one said, yep, which was so cute. And then this is like a color of the month that I just apparently put in here. I think I might have like pulled this color from here. So it's like a mustard color. I also have the, oh, actually I don't have a foil bundle for this. I was trying to figure it out. So this is the Brothers full box overlays from Hannah in silver. And I guess I had these in here. The characters in number 1, which is Step Brothers. And then I just have a bunch of silver bougie boxes. I don't know. I guess I was just using a la carte for this. So I guess I'll just pull some more things with you for this. And apparently I was going a la carte. I wasn't going foil bundle, which is a grand idea because I barely ever do that. So there's no tall boxes. For the bow, I think I'm actually going to use the Sadie Stickers bow. I don't think she really sells this anymore, but I think that would be a cute little bow to add in here. And then for foil, I think I'm actually going to do, because I don't ever use it that much, I'm going to do the like sparkle, because it's more like, I don't know, like, what is this? These are header overlays. Let's just do a new one. It's more, I don't know. It has like a shape versus confetti, and I already am using confetti twice this month. So, and then I'll also just grab 2 of the full box overlays, and that honestly should be pretty good. But I'll just add an extra one in for good measure. And then that is pretty much it, I think. Actually, do I have, I don't know if I have sparkle in underlays. Let me double, triple check on that first. Oh, I do. So let's actually take these bougies out. We're actually just making a little bundle. Because I don't think I've never done a bundle of, no, I have done bundles of these. So I have the sparkle in silver. So we'll just go ahead and pull those out. And make a little silver sparkle bundle. I think that's going to be cute. I like this shape. It's like not, it's like kind of more neutral, I think, than like this like twinkle or sparkle or anything like that. Or like twinkle or shimmer, sorry. I'm a little scatterbrained today. But I think this will be a cute little combo with the Step Brothers kit. So, and I'm using, again, silver with that just because I am basic. It's a very like kind of boring month for foil. Nothing like super crazy going on besides, I think, the first week. Then the last kit that I'm using, it kind of like moves into September, still feeling back to schooly, is the Breakfast Club. This was a pop mystery and it's excellent. It's everything. It's exclusive art by Darcy. And I got the paper underlays from Hannah that I designed in black. And I'm going to do a no foil spread with this one. So the bow is also going to just be the black bow, and that's literally it. This is going to be a very like matte spread. I think like a matte silver or matte gold would be really pretty with this, or matte bronze, or like a burgundy. I know that Hannah said hunter green would be nice with this, or like a navy would be really pretty. Burgundy, rose could even be good, but I just think I'm gonna go no foil with it and stick to my guns. And then that is everything for the month of August. I'm sorry, I feel like I'm always a little scatterbrained in these because I'm like, these are big decisions, it feels like. But I'm like just so excited to like live these weeks so that I can put them in my planner. I've just been so like hyped up to like just lay down some spreads. So let me know if we're trending any of the weeks. Let me know if you got any inspiration, if you have any ideas for me of things like you're like, oh no, Andrea, you need to use a different foil color. Let me know. Because I feel like actually this one would be really pretty also with the like ice skating purple. I don't know what it's called. Would be really pretty with this one as well. But I don't know. I feel like I sometimes just like stick to what's safe, which isn't always the greatest, but I just get stressed. But this would be really pretty with it, the ice skating purple. But it's okay. Or like a lilac or lavender would be really pretty with this as well because of like the purple accents through it. Like actually lavender hollow might be really pretty with it. But I'm just going to do regular hollow. Or should I do lavender hollow, regular hollow mix? Let's look at that real quick. Real quick. Where did she go? Actually, she might be up in my other binder. Hold on. Let's just double check real quick. for science. And maybe you'll think it looks good and you'll want to use it with that. Ooh, actually, you know, be really pretty with it. Lavender Hollow and Gold Hollow. Okay, but let me show you real quick just for science. Lavender Hollow, regular hollow also be really pretty, but I'm actually thinking I'm changing the script. Is this like a, I think it has extras in it. So I think, okay, so this is like, I feel like that makes it a little bit more of an exciting spread to do something. Like, it's not really that wild, but it just is going to be a little bit more fun. But I think that that's cute. Oh, let me show you with the bottom washi. Again, I have like extras in here. I think that's actually really pretty. Hold on, let me pull it out. And this is in the confetti version. But like, I think that's fun because it has like the purple color and then this like goldish yellow. Okay. That's really cute, right? Okay, so we changed our mind. See, this is what happens. Okay, that's actually really cute. I'm glad I like looked. Sometimes you just gotta like flip through and see something will spark your joy, and I'm excited about that one. And it feels a little less basic now, so very excited about that. So that's everything. Now everything. And I'll talk to you on my next one. Bye.